Thomas is a tank engine that works for Sir Topham Hatt on the island of Sodor. He has 6 wheels, a short whistle, a short boiler, and a tall smokestack. Thomas is often seen on his branch line, pulling Annie and Clarabelle, or freight trains. Thomas is also a cheeky engine and gets into mischief, but is good-hearted and will redo any of his mistakes. Thomas is all around a very important engine to Sir Topham Hatt's railway. And that's Thomas. Did you like our video? Be sure to comment, rate, and subscribe for more upcoming SodorAdventures videos. Don't forget to cast your vote for next SodorAdventures Profiles video in 2 weeks. This week, you can choose Edward A. or James B. Leave a comment in the comments section below to cast your vote. Thanks for watching.